8. When I ask, what are you thinking about? And he says, nothing, he actually means nothing. I couldn't wrap my head around the fact that men could just sit and think about nothing. 9. Not being able to find things in the fridge that is right there, while being extremely confident it is not there. 10. Do not talk to a man while he's playing video games if your hope is for him to respond thoughtfully. 11. They can be really insecure. 12. My grandmother once told me that the biggest difference between men and boys was the price of their toys. 13. They will buy something they need even if it's ridiculously overpriced, just so they won't have to go to a second store. 14. They could literally eat the same thing every day forever and not get tired of it. 15. Guys can sleep in any angle and anywhere. It's amazing. 16. They keep a significant amount of thoughts to themselves.